Hey everyone, welcome back. It's good to see you all. And today we're going to talk about something called a final position. Now, it's not something that's very easy that rolls off the tongue, so think of it as final ending sounds. That sounds a little bit easier, something we've heard before. We're going to think about our ending sounds, and we're going to visit something that we've learned before, which is a digraph. Now, we're going to think about one digraph today being CH, 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 the two letters that come together to make one sound. We call them a glued sound or a welded sound. We weld them together. We glue them together. CH, okay? Now, sometimes our words end in a CH sound. Sometimes our words have three letters in there. CH, It's very hard to miss. You have to listen really carefully. But the good thing is that there are some rules to follow that will help you remember. One rule, if you can remember one, then the other one will come into place. Which means if you remember one of the two, then if it doesn't fit that one rule, it's going to fit the other one. Okay? So I'm going to show you what those rules are, and then I'm going to show you two ways you can do your activity today on Seesaw. So our first final position is going to be where you have TCH. Okay? We put a TCH at the end of a word when we're spelling it, and also when we're reading it. Okay? When we're thinking about if the vowel before it has a short sound, a, apple, e, ed, I, itch, o, octopus, u, up, If the vowel makes any of those sounds in the word we hear, then when we spell it out, it's going to have the last letters of T, C, H. Okay? So here up top, I'm just going to review our short vowels. Okay? We know when it has the smiley face, it's a short vowel sound. So, let's say our word doesn't have a short vowel sound. It's going to use the other spelling of CH. Okay? So we will use CH after the long vowel. Now we know the long vowel is when the vowel says its name. A, E, I, O, or U. Okay? And those we do A, we stretch it out. E, I, O, U. The vowel is going to say its name. That's the sound it's going to have. If our word has a vowel where we hear the letter name, we're going to use CH. If a vowel, if CH is going to come after we have a consonant, we know a consonant is all the other letters that are not a vowel. So if there's a consonant and we hear a ch, it's going to have a CH. Okay? A vowel team. A vowel team is something where we have two vowels side by side. When two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. So if you see two letters that are vowels together side by side, the next group of letters is going to be CH. Also, if it's an R-controlled vowel, like AR, ER, IR, OR, UR, ers, ors, rs. The next one's going to be a ch, okay? So I'm going to come up with a couple of examples for you, and I'm going to show you where I would put them. Okay, first, I'm going to think about a word. I'm going to think of match, match. So I'm going to sound it out. M, M, Is that going to be a short vowel or a long vowel? A, apple, short vowel. So I'm going to look for my short vowels. It's going to be TCH, match. You don't say match, it's match, but the T is in there. It's a little bit silent. So I'm going to put it here. M, a, t, ch. couple more. How about the word, pinch, pinch, pin, pin. I could do pin, p-i-n, pin. I hear an I, but that's not the ending sound. It's an n, p-i-n. N comes before the ch. Well, if it's an n, that's an n. Let me say, after a short vowel? No. Is it after a long vowel? No, because we don't say pinch. It's p-i-i, but we have a p-in. Is it a consonant? It does work. It's an n, a consonant. P-inch. And it's not a vowel team, so it's going to go in ch. P-in. Ch. Pinch. Okay? Here we have pinch. So, we have ch here, tch, excuse me, and ch here. If we have the word watch, watch, ch, watch, it has a vowel sound, so it's going to have the tch, watch. It's kind of like match. It's spelled like match, but we have a different sound. Watch, watch. There we go. tch. All right. How about the word lunch? I am getting ready for lunch. L-a-n-ch. Oh, we have the N again, that n sound before the, and here we go, we have it here, lunch. Lunch. Un-ch. So we're looking at the consonant right before those ch, and it fits. We have a short vowel right before, and it becomes a tch. How about perch? The bird is going to perch itself on the branch. I hear an R. I wonder if it's going to be an R controlled, or even if it's just a consonant. An R comes before the ch. Perch. Perch. It's going to go in here. Perch. Perch. And let me see. How about, catch, 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 ch. Here we go. Short vowel, tch, catch. I'm also seeing a lot of these are A. Not too many of the U's, the O's, the E's, and the I's, but A's are kind of giving me a good clue. Okay? So here we have a couple of examples. Now today, in your activity, you have a couple of sheets you can choose from. And what you can do is you have to look at the letter. Is it going to be a short vowel? If it is, you have to add tch to the ending. If it is a long vowel, A-E-I-O-U sound, it's going to be ch, chinch. If it's a consonant sound you hear before the ch, it's going to be ch. If it is a vowel team, two vowels go walking, just like this one, two vowels, t-eem. We have two E, an E and A, but we only get an E. If it's an E-A, and then it's a ch, it's going to end in ch, okay? Here, I'll give you an example. Each. We'll use that one. Each. 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 Vowel team. Ch. Each. Okay? R controlled. ER. Here we go. Ch. Okay. So on one activity, what you can do is you can go through your sheets and fix the ones or add in if it's going to be a tch ending or a ch ending. Something else you can do if you want is you can use either a Post-it, if you have them at home, or a piece of paper. I'm running out of Post-its, so I'm not going to use a Post-it, but I would find a book that I'm reading, and if you are using a Post-it, you can kind of cut it in half or just draw a line down the middle like that. I like to draw a line. And I put ch on one side and tch on the other. And then your goal is to find 3 And if you want to do 4 or 5, you can, but 3 words in your story that fit the CH or TCH, and you look for it with your eyes, read it out loud, and write it down, and maybe the page number. So here, I can do it on a piece of paper if I don't have a Post-it, and I'm going to do Charlotte's Web. Now, first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just open up really to any page, but I'm going to look. So I'm going to use my eye arrows, and I'm just going to look and see if I see any that have a CH or TCH. So I'm being an investigator right now. Nothing on this page. Ah, here's one. It's actually in the middle of a word. It's scratch. Scratching. Scratch. But I see it's a and it's a TCH. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write it down on here. Scratch or scratching. Scratching. And maybe if you want, you could put the page number. For me, this was on page 4. Scratching. And then I'm going to go and find another one. Let's see. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just using my eye arrows to look around the page for the TCH and the CH. Oh, here's the word lunch, just like I have up here. Okay, it was time for lunch because Wilbur was eating lunch in the pail. Okay, so I will write the word lunch. I know it's a CH here, so I'll do lunch. And for me, in this book, I know that he's eating on page 14. Page 14. So on your list, you can do 3. If you want to do more, these are bonus. 4 or 5. You can do it here on a piece of paper in a book that you have at home, or you can do it on a Post-it, or you can do the sheets that are on the activity. But you're going to find out where TCH is being used or CH is being used. All right, friends, hope you enjoyed, and give it a go, and off you pop.